Hello, this is Jerome Surly, and today I'm going to share to you some of the postcards that I have. So come, let's get closer and let's have fun. So this is a postcard that I can't put in my album kasi malaki siya. Yeah, this one is from Poland. Recently, karamihan kasi offer puro mga birds aves. So might as well, kung anong meron, kuhain ko na lang. So there you go. Mukha siyang pipit. Yeah. This one is a woodpecker. I'm not so sure what it is. This is from Poland. Hindi ko pala napakita yung mga stamp kanina. Pakita ko ulito. Halos pareho, pero ang pinagkaiba niya yung stamp na painting. Next, this one is from, if not mistaken, is from Indonesia. Hindi, Malaysia siya. Sensya naman. Nice, right?
Thanks for calling
This one is from Singapore. May sparkly phoenix siya dyan, right? And this one is mukha siyang mochi. This is from Singapore. Nice. Australia. Melbourne, Victoria. This one is a beautiful bridge in China, and I really like the moon though. Yeah, ang daming sulat. This is from People's Republic of China. There you go. This one is from the United States, but this one is bought ng ka-swap ko from Scotland. Yan yung mga linagay niya mga stamp, Forever stamps. Forever USA. This one is also from the US. Siya gumawa ng mga stamp-stampan na yan. And then there you go. Ito yung tunay na stamps. Pero parang Star Trek ata. With the flower stamp and whatever that is a fruit. This is the orangutan from Malaysia.
And that's the reason
Yeah,
why
nice.
So, I'm done refreshing your
There you
account.
go. This one is I bought sa art.
Available balance.
150 siya, tapos sinail niya ng 100.
You should be able to use your balance.
Ito lang yung nagustuhan ko kasi ito yung nakaka-relate ako. Tapos pipit.
Yes.
Yeah.
Your card was
Israel.
yes. Then I manually
Nice.
refresh your account and
Itong stamp na to, this one is common, very common siya. Yeah. Very nice. I like.
No.
This one's from Malaysia also. So basically, that's everything. I'm going to na siya. Keep it sa ko ganito. I-keep ko na siya. So bye for now. Till my next video.